which is present ID cards on our module here and have that shown in an Excel sheet. To start, we're going to talk about the materials we use, which is going to be presented by Núñez.
For the completion of this project, the following materials we used: RC522 RFID module, Arduino Uno, protoboard, and jumpers. It is important to doing the RFID reader and for SPA communication. Therefore, the connection required by the reader are MISO, MOSI, SCK, and SS, which are the lines used for SPA connections. It is unnecessary to add to a specific nomenclature that indicates how the communication are made between our module or Arduino, as well as which pins are connected to our Arduino.
The next part of the project is the program.
The program was quite simple. First, we declare our libraries SPA, MFRC 522, which help us with the communication between the module and the Arduino. Then, we declare the pins used to reset and enable our module. Finally, we created an object with the name of our reader. In the boil setup part, we integrated the serial and SPA communication, as well as the connection between the module and the Arduino. In the boil loop part, we implement a statement that checks if a card has been declared or not. After the effect detected the card, we retrieve the code from that specific card and display it on the serial monitor.
Now that we showed the program, the next part of the project is the Excel sheet. In order to establish communication with Excel and retrieve data from the cards, we use a program tool that allows us to obtain real-time data from a module connected to one of the USB ports on our computer. This tool is called Data Streamer and is incorporated in the Data Transmitter section. With this tool, Excel displays the data obtained and shown on our Arduino IDE serial monitor. In this way, we have the ID of the card and the exact time it was entered. By associating each ID with a name, we created a database. We also have functions that help determine if the card was swiped or not. Additionally, we have a function that counts the number of times the card has been swiped. And finally, using set database, we display the names of each member on a spreadsheet called list. If the card is swiped once, our attendance field changes to present and displays the entry and exit time for each person. However, when displaying the entry and exit times, we encounter an error. The entry time is not static because our data streamer updates each time we swipe a card, causing it to be lost and preventing us from maintaining it as a static value. The inability to maintain a static entry time is due to our functions being linked to the data streamer, which updates along with it, regardless of whether we keep the cell frozen through other Excel functions. That was our project. Our team is composed by Emanuel, Sánchez, Córdova,
Mayahua,
Núñez, Hernández.
Thank you.